Hey, so this video is about how to make money online fast, easy, and free. And I'm going to be showing you on my little laptop right here, it's a big laptop, about how you can make money doing this with Amazon and eBay. So the three ways that we're going to go over about how you can make money fast, easy, and free online. First off, basic tasks. I'll show you a really easy way. You don't make big money. You can probably make $5 to $10 per hour doing basic tasks, but I'm going to show you how you can make money doing that. I'm also going to show you how you can sell stuff that maybe it's in your garage or maybe you already own it. How you can sell that stuff online, which is called e-commerce, or maybe you can even sell other people's junk online and make some money doing it. So, and this is actually where I got started online, so it's kind of cool. And in the third one, I'm going to show you how you can make money with marketing. Marketing is basically sales, selling stuff on the internet. That might be too aggressive for some of you. So let's go over to my computer and I'm going to go over these three different ways of being able to make money online. So the first place we start is on Google, and the name of this program has a unique name. It's called Amazon Mechanical Turk. I'm going to type it in, but I'm also going to leave a link in the description for you to check it out. First off, Amazon is a very trustworthy company, and also in any of these methods, you are going to have to enter in your social security number or some sort of personal identifying information, as well as your banking information. So don't be surprised when any of these opportunities ask for your banking information and your personal information, because they need to verify that you are a real person in order to pay you money and make sure that there is no financial fraud or whatnot going on. Amazon Mechanical Turk, the way it works is that there are a bunch of tasks that, I just signed up for this, and you see all these tasks here that you can accept and work for, and it tells you how much money you can make and you can accept and work. See, and it's a lot of stuff like, why is this review negative? Why is this review positive? Market research survey, identifying, kitchen appliances and all this other sort of stuff. So it's really basic stuff. And from what I've heard from other people, you can earn roughly, $5 to $10 per hour working on Amazon Mechanical Turk. So it's not too bad. For some of the best jobs, you need to actually qualify for them. So you need to take certain tests to see, if you're going to translate some French, they need to check your literacy level. So you'll have to take tests to qualify for certain jobs. As you see, only about a third of the jobs listed are things that I can actually do right now. In order to open up the rest of the jobs, I need to actually qualify for them. Now, a little hack that you can do is you can go to Reddit and you can go to the subreddit forum called HITs Worth Working For. And HITs mean Human Intelligence Tasks. That's what Amazon calls them. And it will give you the most valuable tasks that day that you'll want to check out, because there's thousands and thousands and thousands of jobs you can do on Amazon. But this subreddit forum will walk you through some of the best tasks that are the most valuable you can do. Let's check a few out. So here's one that is a behavioral survey. Okay, it pays out about 15 cents and it only takes about a minute. So not too bad. If we do the math, if you're making 15 cents a minute, that's about $9 an hour. Here's another task. Evaluate a social media advertisement. It pays out 41 cents. So that's another example of a task that you can do. Here's another task. Opinions on an online product, and it pays out 40 cents. So there's a ton of tasks on there. And again, you can make $5 to $10 an hour, but it isn't going to be the best way to make huge money online. Very easy, it's free, it's effective. Now, the second way of making money online for fast, free, and easy is this is actually how I got my start in online business. Was I started listing stuff that I had available on eBay, just old stuff I had when I was in college, and I had a lot of DVDs, I had a lot of CDs, I had a lot of I had video games, I had all sorts of stuff, and I just started listing it on eBay, and I'd make some money here and there. And I started listing other people's stuff, and I made a couple $100s a week. So that was really good. And I started making more from eBay than I was making at my job working at the movie theater. That's how I got started. I was in Dallas and I was making something like almost $7 an hour working at the movie theater. They have lower minimum wage in Dallas or in Texas. And and I started making, I think I was getting paid like a couple hundred, like $200 a month $200 a week from the theater. And I was making $300-400 a week doing eBay, selling stuff on eBay. And, and I was working less selling stuff on eBay. So I said, oh my gosh, I'm going to start selling products on the internet. This is my business. I'm just going to be an entrepreneur. So that was really exciting. And it's not hard to list products on eBay. Let me show you how. So if you want to sell products on eBay, you want to scroll down to the bottom, and where it says sell, you just click start selling. There's a link that says start selling. So you click start selling, and you enter in, the name of the product you want to sell. So let's say I wanted to sell, Red Hot Chili Peppers CD. Chili Peppers CD. So for a lot of stuff, they already have listings already made for you. You see it says, let's say the CD was Californication. I'd say, okay, great. I'll sell one like that. That's great. And I'll just say it asked me the condition it was in, and I select the condition. And, I have to create an account. I don't remember my eBay account, but the point being, it's not too complicated. If you spend about 15 minutes per item, you can have 4 items listed in, the matter of an hour. So, this CD, maybe I can sell it for $5. So I could make easily $20 an hour if I spent, if it took me 15 minutes to list each CD. So that's not too bad. If I were to sell more expensive stuff like camera equipment, I could make way more money. So, and I'm sure all of us have a lot of stuff that we don't use anymore. So it's very easy to sell stuff that we don't use anymore and make real money off of it. There's people that will buy anything. Now, the third way of making money online for fast and free and easy is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is selling other people's products and receiving a commission for it. It's just like commission-only sales, or if you're selling used cars or whatever, you sell something. You don't have to own it. You just sell something, and companies will pay you a commission for it. Now, I'm on Amazon right here, as you see, and if I scroll down to the bottom, Amazon has a very popular affiliate program. So see, it says make money with us, right? Make money with us. It's cool, right? Let's make money with Amazon. Perfect idea. And there's a link that says become an affiliate. So you click that link, and you can actually make money recommending people to buy stuff on Amazon. So it's like super easy, right? Because everybody's already on Amazon. I buy stuff on Amazon almost every day. So people are just used to buying stuff on Amazon. You can earn anywhere from like 3% to 10% commission on products. So as you see on the screen, it says, earn up to 10% advertising, from a trusted e-commerce leader, right? And it says join, advertise, and earn. Great. Okay, so very easy to do that. So let's find some products to sell. So once you sign up with this, and I'm not going to walk through the sign up process because I don't want y'all stealing my personal information, but it's free. But you do have to enter in again, like any of this stuff, you have to enter in your personal information, your social security number, and your banking information. Anything that you do online, they want to verify a few things. One is they want to verify you are a real person and not a robot. And I'm not even joking. There are robots doing some shit online nowadays. We're entering in an age where like artificial intelligence is real. I'm not going to go into that. That's a different story. And the second thing is they want to make sure that nobody's doing any money laundering or stuff like that. And the third thing is they need to know where to send the money. So don't be surprised. Again, these are reputable companies, Amazon and eBay. They've been around for a while. So don't worry about entering in your public information on these people's websites. Because I understand that, you know, for somebody who's like just getting started online, that might be like, oh, why can't I just like talk to somebody on phone and get paid a check? Or like, you know, this is the internet. So it's a little more impersonal. Once you sign up for Amazon Associates, which is their affiliate program, you'll see this thing called Site Stripe. See that right up there? And this is how you will get your links to recommend people go to Amazon. So let's look up a product and get our link. Now in my case, let's look up a book I like. Neuromancer. Neuromancer by William Gibson. This is a book I love, one of my favorite sci-fi books of all time. Retails for $10, it looks like. And what I'll do is I'm going to go to SiteStripe, going to click the Get Link area. I'm going to right-click that link, and I'm going to click Copy. And once I have that link, I can post it up places. I can post it on my social media. I can post it on my Facebook. I can post it up, and I'd write a little bit about it and tell people to buy it. Now, again, this is a free way to get started, but it does, you know, you have to understand kind of a little bit about sales. You can't just post up a link and expect people to buy stuff. You know, so you have to do some job of, you know, telling a story or whatever, you know. So I might go to my Facebook, you know, I might write a little story about why this book was interesting to me. So let me write a story real quick and tell you about it. So for my Facebook post marketing some this affiliate program, this book, I wrote a little post. I said, as an entrepreneur, I'm always looking for what future trends are coming up, because a lot of the people who I'm friends with on Facebook, almost everybody is an entrepreneur like me. You know, that's just kind of my circles I surround myself in. And I said, that's why I've gotten into science fiction books. And I say one of my favorite is this book, Neuromancer. And I tell people to buy it. So I didn't write much. You know, some people might say, ooh, that's really interesting, and they might buy it. All I have to do is post it. And, you know, I might make, you know, $1, 10% of $8 or whatever it is. So I might make 50 cents or $1 from recommending this book. So that's a really easy way. That's fast. It's easy. And it's free. I am convinced everybody knows how to tell stories. If you know how to tell stories, you can sell anything. So I believe every